A village was attacked, 4 lives were lost and homes destroyed. And now key suspects are in custody. But how did it get this far, and will justice be served? It all started in Ebonyi village, Edda Community, Ebonyi State. Residents were brutally attacked by suspected assailants from the Amasiri clan in Afikpo. 4 people were beheaded and several houses were set on fire. The governor, Francis Nwaifuru, acted quickly. Schools in Amasiri were closed, a 20-hour daily curfew imposed. Political appointees were dismissed and some traditional rulers were dethroned. Now, not everyone agreed with the measures. A petition was sent and it questioned whether the governor went too far. But senior lawyer Ebonyi N. Agu defended Nwaifuru, calling the actions corrective administrative measures within his constitutional powers. He stressed that legal advocacy shouldn't be used to protect people suspected of communal violence. Agu also dismissed claims that traditional burial rites in Amasiri made the attack impossible, calling it a farce. In his view, the governor had a duty to act decisively to protect lives and property. And here's the latest. The DSS, working with the Ebonyi State Police Command, has now arrested key suspects. Those arrested include Mr. Anna Baron Obonia, coordinator of the Amasiri Development Center, Afikpo, 2 traditional rulers, Onye Dam Basi and Geoffrey Okobia. The arrest came from a joint operation involving the DSS, Nigerian Army and NSCDC, following earlier arrests of 10 other individuals connected to the attack. Police spokesperson SP Joshua Okandu says that those arrested are all in their custody and investigations on the killings are still ongoing. The command and other security personnel will not relent until all those involved are brought to justice. The attacks are part of a long-standing land dispute between Okporojo in Oseda and their neighbors in Amasiri Afikpo. Security agencies say investigations are continuing. However, for now, the focus is on holding those responsible accountable and then restoring peace to a shaking community. 4 lives were lost, but the hunt for justice continues.